Well, I would say actually the area that I'm presently doing research in, which is really more specifically, I would say, I mean, of course, anatomy, any kind of anatomical research on marine mammals. It's an area that classically there's been a lot of work, 1800s, early 1900s, but more recently it seems that there has been less attention given to that area of marine mammal research. And I just want to point out that there's lots of really interesting new techniques now. We can do CT scanning of specimens, so we can not only look at their surface anatomy, but we can get inside and actually see, well, if you do MRI, you can look at blood flow, and you can see actually the tissues that are inside the animal. So those exciting new techniques allow us really to understand a lot more about the inner workings of these animals than we had previously. This is the age of the genome, and so I think as we have a better understanding of genomes of more marine mammal species, they will be helpful to address some questions concerning health of them, as well as some conservation issues. And so I think that's one big area. The other big area would be the instrumentation that's put on the animals, so that we can actually observe them, as I said before, their foraging patterns, their behaviors and things. And I think we'll even get more refined results. So we'll be able to see exactly how the baleen works when the gray whale opens its mouth, and how does that whole filtration process actually take place. And I think in order to do that, you have to put a camera in the mouth and be filming as they're eating, and that we just haven't been able to do that yet, but it's probably on the horizon.